Hello everyone. So yesterday I talked about how to stay driven and how to actually overcome those obstacles that come along the way, those kind of bumps, if you will, that coming on the way. And today I'm going to focus with you on the income action. Now, how can we focus on the income action, and what is IA, the income action? So basically, IA is what you call the actions that will produce you money eventually and sales. And I see people coming in. Hello, Anna. So basically, those kind of action will produce you the sales. And when you focus on the sales part, that's where the money will come eventually. And most of us usually not focusing on the income action and waste ton of time on things that will not be relevant really and won't produce you to another step. And then we have the feeling of unsuccessful, of the feeling that we are stuck right now and nothing moving, and that kind of feeling like a failure, is it? I know for me it was like that. So when we are feeling like we're doing but nothing moves, that's where we focus on not income actions. And when we shift it to income action, that's basically, for example, I for years, kid you not, for years I was learning a lot, putting all my effort on reading books, doing courses like maniac for years, getting ton of knowledge. But actually this knowledge didn't help me a lot because I didn't implement it. And when I didn't implement it, I forgot a lot about it. And basically most of us, especially at the start, thinking that when we're learning and when we're opening books and when we're doing courses, that's income productivity. But that's not the income productivity. I kid you not, that's not what will get you where you want to. And a lot of us seeing tons of information kind of videos like this one, and hey, the minute you're done with that, go and do something. Don't just say that's good, okay, yeah, of course. Go and implement it, because if not, you're wasting your time and you're not investing your time. So invest your time with your income action. That's, for example, working on your products, working on new content, market yourself. That's the income action, the sales part. When you get more sales to you, that's how you can help more people, and that's how you can impact more people. When you don't do that, you will not benefit any others. And I had that obstacle of getting into the sell part, and we'll talk about it more later tomorrow. But right now, focus on your income action. What gives you the money? What gives you the sale? Because again, if you're wasting your time of just consuming information, nothing gets done, and you feel like you're progressing because you're doing something, you're feeling like you're doing something, you're consuming, but then you're not actually doing and implement it, that's not an income action. That will not produce you any income, even in decades. And I've been in that situation. I told you I've been in that situation for years, when I consume, and I thought I'm doing, but I didn't. So let's face the truth. Are you a consumer or are you a producer? When you're becoming a producer, you're doing the income action, and that's how you can move forward and not getting stuck at the same lane. Does that make any sense? If it does, just comment below that it makes sense, and if you watch the replay, just hashtag replay makes sense, that I know it makes sense for you as well. And what is the income action that you're going to focus this week? Just thinking about one income action. Is it producing your own content? Is it producing your own product? Is it a webinar? Is it a book? What is it? What is it that you're going to focus this week? Just comment below, because when you become aware to it, when you write it down, then it becomes kind of real, if you will, that it's kind of manifests itself, because now you're focusing on what you really want to, and not just in your head. When it's just in our head, we usually don't do a lot of that. For example, when we set goals and we are in our head, not writing it down, we will forget about it in an hour or two. and it's not focusing oriented. When you write it down, you have 20% more, statistically proven, to really remember it and doing it. And the second step is when you write it down in front of other people, you shout it out loud, it's increasing the chances by 80% more. I kid you not, 80% more, statistically proven. So come on, let's just comment below, what is your income activity, your income action that you're going to focus this week? And let's get it done. Let's rise up together. And if you like this content, just give me a thumbs up that I know that you want more of it. And if you're watching on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button to never miss out an episode. And have an amazing and productive day. And I really appreciate you for being here and invest your time with me. And have a great one. That was live on my group. I will see you tomorrow.